Here I come walking on the water. Who's gonna clean up my radio? Here I come, riding the wave. Here I come, walking on the water. Break, break, break. Here I come, riding the wave. Here I come, walking on the water. Here I come, riding the wave. Who gonna clean up this Coney Island base station? Who gonna clean up this Coney Island base station? Who gonna clean up this Coney Island base station? Break, break, break.
Coney Island. Trinitron9, Sonny audio blasting. Hey, Trinitron9, 256, ATL with a Georgia way.
Hey, 256, you cleaned up my radio all by yourself? Hey, 256, you cleaned up my radio all by yourself. Somebody else tried to get in there right before you keyed up there, but you took everything out my radio. Good afternoon, 256 and the Good Time Gang. Good afternoon, 256 and the Good Time Gang. Trinitron9, break, break, break. A silver bullet, here I come, I left everybody on the key. A silver bullet, here I come, I left everybody on the key. A silver bullet, here I come, I left everybody on the key. Break, break, break.
Ain't no doubt about it, man. You coming up in here like a local right about now. Hey, Trinitron, you walking on the water right about now. Trinitron, no silver bullet, waving, I'm gone.
Got it all, my brother. I'm riding the wave and I'm walking on this water. Hey, silver bullet, is a beautiful sunny day out here in Coney Island. I'm riding the wave and I'm walking on the water. Take your silver bullet, 256, and all the Good Time Gang. Trinitron9, walking on the water. Just got down.
I'll see ya.
Check, check.
Hey, Trinitron, man, 705 Birmingham waving at you.
Hey, 705, you cleaned up my radio also. Hey, 705 Birmingham, you cleaned up my radio also. Welcome to the weekend, my brother. Hope everything's well. I'm riding the wave and I'm walking on the water. Break, break, break. That's what I said, that's what I said, that's what I said. I'm riding the wave and I'm walking on the water. Have a good afternoon, have a good weekend, everybody. I'm riding the wave and I'm walking on the water. Trinitron9, got down? Right back, Silver Bullet Mobile, no doubt about it, no doubt about it. Silver Bullet Mobile, keep up the good work. I know Pistol Grip's out there doing his thing, I'm doing my thing, and we all having fun. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down. Hey, Top Gun 123, here I come. Top Gun 123, here I come. Top Gun 123, here I come. Welcome to the weekend. The man riding the wave and walking on the water. Got down? Take care 123, take care 123 and all the Good Time Gang. I'm just playing in the water in Coney Island, man. It's real sunny, it's real hot. I'm just playing in the water. I'm just playing in the water. Trinitron9, just playing in the water. Bye, bye, bye. Hello, Ray-Bag. Hello, Ray-Bag. I'm just playing in the water. Hello, Ray-Bag. Good afternoon. I'm just playing in the water. I'm having fun out here in Coney Island. Hello, Ray-Bag. One and all. Hello, Ray-Bag. One and all. Yes, I am. The man riding the wave. The man walking in the water. The man giving thanks and praise. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Break, break, break. No doubt about it, no doubt about it, CB friend, no doubt about it, CB friend, no doubt about it, CB friend. You're sounding good in Coney Island, man. Everybody's coming out of the woodwork. Everybody's coming out of the woodwork. It's a good thing, man. Y'all sounding real good in these deep waters of Coney Island. The man riding the wave, walking on the water, the man giving thanks and praise out here in Coney Island. Just got down. Take care around Arkansas. Take care around Arkansas. Yeah, I'm walking on the water, Arkansas. I'm walking on the water in the 4 points of the earth right now. I'm covering all ground. I'm leaving no stone unturned. Take care around Arkansas. Take care around the band. Yes, I am the man walking on the water, riding the wave of the Coney Island. Just got down.
See if I can't give you that around the doggone, around your side in 270 in Georgia.
270 came up in my radio. 270 came up in my radio. 270 came up in my radio. I'm going to wave a hand to the band. I'm going to wave a hand to the whole band. Your Trinitron9, Coney Island. I'm just playing in the water. I'm just playing in the water. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got down?
That wave in fine style. Sounded good down here. This is Georgia. 270 down here working. It's just like this on this Saturday evening. 270 backwoods.
I don't know who 270's talking to. I don't know who 270's talking to right now. I didn't hear my name, and I don't do no ghost talking. That's against my policy, and it's bad for my reputation. But I'm waving it to the whole band. I'm waving it to the whole band. I'm waving it to the whole band. Your Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Get down?
Keep on doing what you're doing. Easy on down here in the south. 270 what you like. Got down.
Hey, 270. Hey, 270. Still, right, you out there around the road a while. We'll put it down on you later, my friend. And it's undermodulated station in Lake City's clear.
That station is not undermodulated. That station is not undermodulated. That station is not undermodulated. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down?
Oh, at 2517, I ain't sure, but anyhow, nevertheless. I did hear you back in the mix. Sounded good down here in the backwoods of Georgia. 270, 4 and 1. Come here.
We're going to step up to the plate again. I need my base station cleaned up. We're going to step up to the plate again. I need this Coney Island base station cleaned up. I'm riding this wave and I'm walking on this water. The sun is shining. I need my base station cleaned up again. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Break.
Hey, Too Tall, boy, you're doing your thing down here around the backwoods of Georgia. Keep on doing what you're doing up there around Pittsburgh. Your friend down here in the backwoods of Georgia, your 270 got that.
Audio. Test 1, 2.
Y'all got to get 270 out of my ear hole if you want to get it back to Coney Island. Y'all got to take 270 out of my ear hole if you want to get it back around Coney Island. That's what's going on right now. Y'all got to get 270 out of my base station if you want to get it back around Coney Island. Trinitron9 with the Coney Island wave. Just got down?
963, appreciate it. Take it easy. Hey, 963, we'll catch you a little later. This week 1 radio is getting down. But you're waving.
I didn't hear nobody getting it back to Coney Island. I didn't hear anybody getting it back to Coney Island. Welcome to the weekend one more time. Welcome to the weekend one more time. The man riding the wave, walking on the water. The man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghosts. Just got down?
I found that the hard way, but anyhow, nevertheless, whenever I take it slow, and once I get there, I leave it all the settings where they need to be, and then all I got to do is just come back in, turn it on.
270 got my ear hole right now, y'all. 270 got my ear hole out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. I can't do nothing with that right now. 270 got my ear holes out here in the deep waters. Good afternoon one more time. Welcome to the weekend. Good afternoon one more time. Welcome to the weekend. The man riding the wave, walking on the water. The man that don't ghost talk. And the man that ain't afraid of no ghosts. Just got down. Hey, Silver Bullet, can you do it again? Hey, Silver Bullet, can you do it again? Trinitron9, break, break, break.
Roger. All right, man, take care of God's grace around your place. Man, I'm just sitting back here slow cruising. I come back here and turn this thing on, just kind of get in the, I don't know, not yeah, that's what we do. Yeah, man, take care. Sounds good, man. To the side.
Y'all got to do something with 270. Y'all got to do something with 270. He got my ears hole out here in Coney Island. Good afternoon all over again. Good afternoon all over again. Welcome to the weekend. Trinitron9. Got down.
Big Apple. 270-554. Stop being all that noise.
54. Hey, 270, I'm trying to get in your ear hole. Hey, 270, I'm trying to get in your ear hole. Hey, 270, I'm trying to get in your ear hole. Break, break, break.
Man, I did hear somebody in the mix back there holler for a minute. Try it one more time. 270, Georgia, break.
Hey, 270, Trinitron9, trying to get in your ear hole. I'm trying to get in your ear hole. Hey, 270, look around Coney Island. 270, Trinitron9, break, break, break. No, get back on 270. Y'all got to get over 270 if you want to get it back to Coney Island. Y'all got to get over 270. He got a big mall on my radio out here in Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Get down.
Man, I heard somebody back here in the background. Oh, 270. I took a little I had to get that odor of come on down here.
Strife out here in Coney Island. I'm getting ready to pull this thing out of the deep waters because nobody can get over 270 right now to clean up my radio. I'm getting ready to pull this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Island because it don't look like nobody can take 270 out of my ear hole. Don't look like nobody can get 270 out of my ear hole. Trinitron9, Coney Island, pulling back.
What you mean? What you mean, nobody?
Yeah, man, every time I get to talking to somebody on here, I don't go too tall. He keeps it down and
He got you too, Pistol Grip.
He's taking sole control.
Hey, Pistol Grip, he got you too, man. Hey, Pistol Grip, 270 got you too, man. Waving at Pistol Grip, waving at Pistol Grip in the good time gang. Trinitron9, Coney Island, got down.
I switched the flavor up. And I said that it's a beat you're going and telling your neighbor who came.
You said you switched the flavor up. All right, he wasn't on the key that time, but 270 got everybody when it comes to my receive, right, when he be keying up there. Waving a Pistol Grip and all the good time gang. Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding the wave and walking on the water.
Before, tell me about it.
I just can't get 270 radio. I said, I can't get 270 radio. Hey, 270, look at your pistol. Hey, 270, your pistol around New York, back wide. That's right, that's right.
Hey, 434 made a reference. Doggone Buckeye coming in here killing me.
Here I come again, Trinitron9, Coney Island, trying to get this base station cleaned out. Here I come again, Trinitron9, Coney Island, trying to get my radio cleaned out. Can anybody do the job? Can anybody do the job? The man riding the wave and walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Number 9, I heard you coming back to me
That's rough and tough. Yeah, 434. Man, I didn't know all that was going down now. See, my dog down there, he filled me in. Yeah, my dog.
You said 434 got a hammer. You said 434 got a hammer. You said 434 got a hammer. Hello, radio. You said 434 got a hammer out there. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen just got down. Five, 2, 3, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen cleaning out radios. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen cleaning out radios. Break.
Yeah, the dog talking about you. You got his antenna from him and keying on him.
0270.
My ears are plugged out here in Coney Ellen. My ears are plugged out here in Coney Ellen, but waving it to the band. My ears are plugged out here in Coney Ellen, but waving it to the band, waving it to the band, waving it to the band. Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Ellen. Got down.
I get up in there. Look at it. You ever let him come over and spike it? You ever let him come over and spike the mic? That break.
434's got a big old hammer. 301. Hey, 270.
Hey, 301, you said 434 got a big hammer out there? Hey, 301, you said 434 got a big hammer out there? Hey, 301, Trinitron9, 301, Trinitron9, break.
From over here, all he wants to do is key mine down there. Come here.
That's it, Trent. I give up. Hey, Trent, 0270 got his beams locked on Dade May County. I gotta give up. Your pistol grip, 127 New York, and I'm back on the band.
410.
And I heard you 127. I heard you 127, 301, I heard you out there also. Hey, 301, I heard you out there also. Good evening, 301, good afternoon, and all the good time gang. Good evening, 301, and all the good time gang. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen just got down.
Hey, shotgun, more shotgun. 270 with a friendly wave. Come here.
I heard somebody out there called pistol.
It's rough out here in Coney Ellen. Who's gonna clean out this Coney Ellen base station? Is rough out here in Coney Ellen. Trinitron9, got down.
Like a TI is. Hey, shoot, gonna sound good down here, man. I guarantee you. Sounding crystal clear. Coming in my doggone receive like a doggone audio should. Okay, shotgun, and more shotgun. You're 270 in Georgia. Come here.
Oh, y'all got a work to do. 270 got it locked down in Coney Ellen in my receive. Y'all got some work to do to get it back to Coney Ellen, man. Y'all got some work to do to get it back to Coney Ellen. I hear a whole lot of heterodyning in there, but nobody's doing it. Nobody's doing it. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, got down.
Hey, shotgun, your friend in Georgia, got that. You got it going on there. Watchmaker, the springs, cut down. Break.
All right, watchmaker, I got you that time around. Hey, watchmaker, I got you that time around. Here I come riding the wave. Hey, watchmaker, I got you in there that time, man. Hey, watchmaker, I got you in there that time, man. You sounding good, but 270 key if he plugged my ears there. You know how that goes every once in a while. It's all good. I'm not complaining. It's all part of the game. But watchmaker, I heard you in there that time, and you were sounding real good in the deep waters of Coney Ellen. Hey, watchmaker, the man riding the wave. Break.
Rough and tough? Man, I think I missed it. Man, I missed that. I couldn't quite pull it out. There's about 4 or 5 in there.
Hey, watchmaker, you know I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave and walking on this water. Hey, watchmaker, you know I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave and walking on this water. Good evening, watchmaker. Good evening, watchmaker. Welcome to the weekend. Trinitron9, got down.
I'm blowing. I believe he said 963. Hey, 963. If I got it wrong, big brother,
Said I got that hammer down. You said I had that hammer down. You said I had that hammer down because I don't see nothing wrong with riding the waves. I don't see nothing wrong walking on the water. I don't see nothing wrong with having the hammer down. Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Ellen. Break, break, break.
Great day, what a mess that go round. Yeah, boy. Hey, man, that sounds like chop suey. I couldn't make that
I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave. I don't see nothing wrong with walking on this water. And I don't see nothing wrong with having the hammer down. No doubt about it. Waving a hand again all over the world. Waving a hand. Your Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Ellen. The man that don't ghost talk. The man that don't ghost talk. Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Ellen. Get down. And I heard you also. I heard you hearing me. I heard you say you heard me. I heard you say you heard me. I'm waving a hand saying welcome to the weekend. I heard you say you heard me, and I'm waving a hand to you saying welcome to the weekend. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, riding the wave. Get down.
Tell him once, make I passed a friendly fire. Tell him 0270 said, howdy do. For a good 12, 15 hours.
Hey, waving it to everybody out there. Here, my friend out there. You know I'm doing it for everybody all around the world. Here, my friend out there. You know I'm doing it for everybody all around the world, man. I don't see nothing wrong with riding the wave. I don't see nothing wrong with walking on this water. I don't see nothing wrong with giving them thanks and praise while I ride the waves and walk on the water. Good afternoon, everybody. Enjoy the weekend. Your Trinitron9 in the deep waters. Your Trinitron9 in the deep waters. Your Trinitron9 in the deep waters. Got all the way down.
Okay, it's like this. It is officially 6:27. 6:27 p.m.
You sound all kinds of good over here. I was able to pick up a couple of those.
Hey, Pistol, take care, man. 270 got my ear, but I heard you say it's officially 627. Trinitron9 just riding the waves and walking on the water. Just got down.
I hope you got that video game rolling. I really hope you got that video game rolling, because it's now officially 628. It's now 628. Ta-da! 628 around New York. You're 127 New York, back on the map. For the babies.
Doing it for the kids. I'm doing it for everybody. The old people, the crippled people, the fat people, the skinny people. Take care, my friend. I'm doing it for the whole wide world.
Okay, you too. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hey, Pistol Grip, I'm rolling. I'm rolling in this deep water. Hey, Pistol Grip, I'm rolling in these deep waters of Coney Ellen, but I'm getting ready to bring this thing back to the shoreline. I'm getting ready to bring it back to the shoreline.
Nationwide, good news in Florida, standing by.
Hey, Nationwide, look around Coney Ellen. Hey, Nationwide, good news, look around Coney Ellen. I'm in this water, I'm riding this wave. Hey, Nationwide, good news, break, break, break.
Just shut down my Pistol Grip New York video gate. You're 127 New York, I'm back on the mound. New Jersey.
No, get back on the Nationwide good news. Your Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Ellen. Get down.
429 and 9.
Oh, yeah, Mr. 429. Hey, 429.
Sounding good in Florida. Good news in Florida. Standing by.
Hey, good news. I'm trying to clean out your radio. Hey, good news. I'm trying to clean out your radio. Hey, good news. I'm trying to clean out your radio. I got my hands in the air. Hey, good news. I'm trying to clean out your radio. Trinitron9. Get down.
429. I thought you know we
Showing up.
Mr. 429.
434, Dave Bay County. Good news, Lake City, Florida. Come on down.
You get your mind up at 434. Hey, good news. Get your mind up at 434. Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding this wave. Hey, good news. Get your mind up at 434. Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding the wave. Break, break, break.
Ground plane, 50 watts. Flying 434. You got a little station like mine, man. I need every little helping edge I can get, no doubt about it. Have a super fine, my brother. We'll catch you a little later.
429 is doing you a doggone favor, man.
No get back, no contact on good news. No get back, no contact on good news. Trinitron9 riding the wave and walking on this water. No contact, no get back on good news. Trinitron9 riding the wave and walking on the water. Got down.
There you go. 434, have a good one. Walk it down. I heard you right now. So good evening to you. Walk it, talk it. 434. Good news. Walk by through.
Who gonna clean up this Coney Island base station? Who gonna put it where I can get it? Who gonna clean up this Coney Island base station? Who gonna put it where I can get it? It's rough out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. Who gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding the waves and walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Good evening to you. Walkie-talkie, I heard you until 9-4 down Maryland keyed up.
Yeah, I'm still walking on the water, but I got my ears plugged, but I heard you. I'm still walking on the water, but I got my ears plugged, but I heard you. I'm still walking on the water, but I got my ears plugged, but I heard you. Trinitron9, Coney Island, break, break, break.
No doubt about that. Go on with your bad self. No contact on the good news area. No contact.
You can't work on a truck by getting on the air.
Hey, walkie-talkie, 434 so far out in front, it ain't even the same, man. I got 30 pounds on your walkie-talkie.
Yeah, man. What you need is a Holly 4-barrel on there with some headers. Come here.
Hey, good news. That's bad news to me. Hey, good news. That's bad news to me, good news. Your pistol grip 1270, you want back on the mail?
Hey, Pistol Grip. I got some bad news for good news, bad news. Pistol Grip, 270, backwoods, got that.
270, you know I'm gonna let the video game, bring the news. Hey, 270, you know I'm gonna let the video game bring the news. 270, pistol down. Stand, let me see. Bye.
Hey, Pistol, I heard it all because you said it all. Yeah, and I did hear walkie-talkie come up in the mix, too. Hey, walkie-talkie, 270-4.
Where you go, good news? I'm trying to get this base station cleaned out. Where did you go? Good news, good news, good news. Where did you go? Good news. Your Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Break, break, break.
Mobile break.
All but you. And all of you. Down here in the backwoods of Georgia, man. Way down here in the peak.
No get back, no contact, no contact, no get back. Your Trinitron9 riding this wave, walking on the water. Your Trinitron9 riding this wave and walking on this water. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome to the weekend. Your Trinitron9 riding the wave and walking on the water. Got down?
Hey, walkie-talkie, I know where you at, big man. I believe you're over in the NJ town. Yes, sir. Mr. Walkie-talkie, 270, got that.
Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding this wave and walking on this water. Just got down.
Howdy, right back. Well, you said they're good up around NJ? NJ, New Jersey, you're 270, come here. Let me pull this thing out of the deep waters. Let me pull this thing out of the deep waters. Let me get this thing out of the deep waters. Your Trinitron9 in the deep waters of Coney Island. Got down? You got his mind made up.
Oh, me and this 80?
doggone grill going out there. Gotta put them doggone ribeyes on there, sizzle a little bit. Y'all take care. 270 backwoods, got that.
Hey, my ribeye better be medium rare, pistol. My ribeye better be medium rare, pistol.
And that's a Raj on the 880, you switched up. Hey, Pistol Grip, I heard you. That's a Raj on the 880, you switched it up. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, riding the wave, just got down.
Hey, Trinitron9, man, what's the ease up in the car? Trinitron9, before I ease out of my gun showroom. Trinitron, 270, come here.
Hey, 270, you got my ears in Coney Ellen, man. You doing your thing out here. Hey, 270, you got my ear hole around Coney Ellen, and you're doing your thing. Keep up the good work. 270, Trinitron9, riding the wave. Break, break, break.
I can't hear nobody doggone walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie going nine there.
Hello, Ray Bag. Hello, Ray Bag. You said long time, long time. Hello, Ray Bag. You said long time, long time. I heard you in there, but 270 keyed up and plugged my ears. He got everybody in the background. But I heard you keying up, and you sound real good until 270 bumped that thing down. But you said long time, long time, long time. Been a long time. Trinitron9, break, break, break.
You're the man in New Jersey. You're the man in New Jersey. Let me get it. So that mud.
I'm trying to clean out your radio. I'm trying to clean out your radio, and I'm trying to get my radio cleaned out. You sound real good out here in Coney Ellen. You sound real good out here in Coney Ellen. Come on back and clean out my radio. Trinitron9, break, break, break. Boogie in the woods, Boogie in the woods, Boogie in the woods. Good afternoon, good evening. Hey, Boogie in the woods, good afternoon, good evening. Boogie in the woods, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, break, break, break.
I did mine made up.
I gotta switch it up to the grand. Your pistol 127, you on back on the map?
Take care, Boogie in the woods and all the good time gang. It's rough and tough out here. You know my policy. I don't do no ghost talking. That's bad for my reputation. It's against my policy. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Ellen, right there, right now. Just got down.
Yo, come on back one more time.
Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Ellen, just got down.
Trinitron9, I was walking on that water. Mr. Trinitron9, I was turning it down, man. I was turning it down. I ought to get you up.
Right there, Mr. Boogeyman 314. Right there, Mr. Boogeyman 314. Good evening. Good to hear you. Right there, Mr. Boogeyman 314. Break, break, break.
See ya. The gate, what the man told.
Take care, Boogeyman 314, 370. Get my ears out here in Coney Ellen. Hey, Boogeyman 314, take it easy. You're Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Get down. Bye, 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 bye. Hey, Boogie in the woods, you was all by yourself right there. Hey, Boogie in the woods, you was all by yourself right there, no doubt about it. Take care, my friend, Boogie in the woods, Boogie in the woods, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen said bye, bye, bye. Bye, Boogie, bye, Boogie, bye, bye, bye.
Hey, 434, you still in there?
Walkie-talkie.
Take care, Boogie in the woods and all the good time gang. Take care, Boogie in the woods and all the good time gang. Your Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
All right, walkie-talkie, look here. 1, 2, 3.
Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, get down.